You might be making English pronunciation mistake. That is very common, and I also make mistake when I speak in English. Every time when I speak in English, then I make mistake. This is very common. So if we're gonna not make mistake in English, so it is not able to speak in English. You don't uh, you don't speak in English without making mistake. So mistake is very common. So don't take it very seriously. It doesn't matter. So when we're speaking English, then we're gonna to make pronunciation mistake. That is very important when we're speaking English. So this is me, Janul Rahman. Once again, hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty, and I am also about the moon by the grace of Almighty. Today, I would like to talk about some important words in our daily life that is very common, and every time, every native speakers they're gonna to make mistakes when they're speaking English and their pronunciation. And I also make mistake when I speak in English those type of words. That's why I think that why I'm not make a video. If I make a video, then it's very helpful for me to learn English, and I always try to make a video in English. That gives me extra benefit when I speak in English with my friends, with my foreign friends. Even yesterday I have uh, talked with my foreign friends. Maybe he lives in Africa, so maybe 15 minutes uh, I talk with him, and many discussion we're when we're talking with him. Then uh, when I'm talking with him in English, so it gives me it increase my confidence level very well. So right now I decide I make a video in front of the camera, and my topic, I chose 7 common words every day we use in our daily life, and we're gonna make mistake those type of words, especially when we're pronunciate these words. So first first of all, I want to say that the word is evening. In this sentence, in this word, not for sentence, I'm talking about word. So in this evening word, when we are pronunciate this word evening, many people, many native speakers, they pronunciate this word evening, evening. They are making 3 syllable in this word. So in this evening word, we just make 2 syllable, 2 syllable. It's very simple. There is evening, evening, evening. There is evening. So it is very simple. So for example, we can say that in the evening I'm walking around my house. In the evening, uh, I I just walking through the road. It's very common. So in this way we can practice. So now I'm I want to talk the next word, that is breakfast. Breakfast. This is the very common word, and usually we use these words in our daily life every day, every single day, and every native speakers and every uh, which person actually want to speak in English. And I also make mistakes uh, when I don't know actual pronunciation about those type of words. So that's why that is the cause of making of this video, so that uh, in the next time, so that I don't make any mistakes when I'm speaking English, when I use those type of words in my sentences, when I'm talking with my friends, with my foreign friends, with my clients. Then I don't make any mistake when I use those type of words. That's why uh, I think about that, make a video. So uh, number 3 word is very common word, and that is comfortable, comfortable. So sometimes when people pronunciate this word comfortable, they're making four syllable in this word when they're gonna to pronunciate this word. So in this word comfortable, not comfortable, its actual pronunciation may be comfortable, comfortable. You can practice with me when I'm talking this word comfortable, comfortable. So you just make three syllable and you need to say this word comfortable. So I jump to the another word that is very common and very familiar to everyone, and every day we are use these words in our daily speaking English, and we'll make mispronunciation this word. We'll make mistake when we're speaking English when we use these words in our sentences. That is that is vegetable, vegetable. That is vegetable. This is the actual pronunciation, but some people, some native speakers, when they're speaking English, they're making four type. They're making four syllable in this word. They say this word actually vegetable, vegetable. So this is the wrong pronunciation. Actual pronunciation and right pronunciation, that is vegetable. You have to make three syllable in this word, just only three syllable, that is vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. So uh, I'd like to talk about another word that is colic, colic, colic. So when we say this word, we are make mistake when we pronunciate this word, that is colic. The actual pronunciation may be colleague, colleague, co-worker, and another word is co-worker, co-worker, co-worker. So last word that is very common and very familiar, and everybody make mistake, and I also make mistake when I don't know the actual pronunciation this word, that is pronunciation. So some native speakers, some who are actually try to speak in English, and many people actually uh, say this word in a wrong way, that is pronunciation. They pronounce this word pronunciation. So this is the wrong method, this is the wrong way. They actually make three syllable, exactly three syllable, but different in the pronunciation. So the correct word is, that is pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. The actual word is pronunciation. So you can practice with me. Actually I try to learn English. After that I try to make video so that uh, people can somebody can learn from my video. If anybody can uh, learn anything from my video, so please share my video and like, comment in my video, so that I can actually those or makes me, those comments inspire me to make videos, and I try to improve my English speaking skill day by day, so that I can speak English very fluently, confidently, effectively. So everybody should try to speak in English practically. Practically, if we gonna to try, if we're gonna to learn something practically, so it's very helpful for us uh, to improve our skill. English is not a language. This is an international skill right now. Nowadays, everybody uh, should try to speak in English, try to learn English, how to speak in English fluently, and day by day should improve their English speaking skill. So if we practice English every day, every single day, with 30 minutes, 20 minutes, so it's very effective and it's very helpful. It removes our shyness. The most important things the people face when they are started their journey to learn English, that is shyness. They don't say any single word for shyness because they don't remove shyness. So if you want to remove shyness, you have to make videos. This is the way that you can use to remove your shyness or any other things that is in front of the mirror. You can just practice English. Just focus your eyes and maintain your eye contact, then say some English words that helps you to remove your shyness. So so practice every day, and a proverb goes that practice makes a man perfect. So that is the universal truth, and I believe it, and that's why I try English every day to learn English. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.